FCCLA has kind of taken this park under our wing. We've called what's called Adopt a Park, and so today we're doing different things, cleaning up trash, painting park benches, and trying to just make the park a little more beautiful and a better place for the community to come.
It gives you a really nice feeling. It's really fun hanging out with new people, from Central to elementary kids to your own classmates. It gives you a pride, yet a sense of joy seeing other people work together for a park.
We're painting benches also. They used to be this kind of hunter green, and we're trying to paint them to become a little more colorful and match the new splash pad.
A lot of kids, they want to be like fun, and like that green was just like not fun at all. So we needed color in this park, so now we're painting them bright orange and yellow.
My whole family lives here in Weslaco, and it's really nice to see the park getting cleaned up and that we can come here and enjoy it.
We're trying to give these kids a sense of joy, pride of helping others.
I believe kindness is a ripple effect, so if you help one person, then a lot of people will do it too, and it'll just keep going and going.